We'll guide you through how to share videos on Dropbox, making it easy to collaborate or send your favorite clips to friends and family. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your main Dropbox page, locate the video file you want to share. You can do this by browsing through your folders or using the search bar at the top for quick access. When you find the video, hover your mouse over it, and you'll see a share button appear on the right side. Click that button. A pop-up window will appear, giving you the option to either copy link or directly share it with specific people. If you choose to copy link, just click on the copy link option, and Dropbox will generate a shareable link for you. You can then copy this link and send it via email, text, or any messaging app. If you prefer to share directly with specific people, enter their email addresses in the provided field and hit share. You'll have the option to add a message if you want to give context or instructions. Remember, you can set permissions on the share link, deciding if others can view or edit the file, which is great for collaboration. You can also manage these settings anytime by clicking on the shared link and adjusting the permissions. This way, you have full control over who can access your video and what they can do with it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.